Now I'm going to go back down Old Julian Highway. Nano mode, first gear. Alright. Rev limiter. Whoops. Alright, so you can't hit the rev limiter in manual mode. It didn't shift quick enough. Second. RPM. Third. And just second, 4,500 RPM. Feels very lively in second. Wow. Down just a second. Feels great. Hairpin, second. Third gear. Second. Gear. Alright, that was a good little run. Sometimes you gotta take advantage of openings that you have, because you never know. Could be a Honda CR-V lurking around the next corner. Whoa, get in the dirt there, dog. Whoa, easy does it, dude. Fourth into fifth. It's unfortunate that this car doesn't have the 6-speed automatic, because it desperately needs one. deliberate downshift into fourth at 2,500 RPM. And even at 2,500 RPM, the power is there. Brake and downshift into third. Set up for the corner. Oh yeah, a little bit of rotation. Oh, yeah, this road is full of patches, potholes. It's a hot mess, as you would say. Oh yeah, just took that corner at 50. Car felt composed. Awesome. Off camber hairpin. Fourth. Oh yeah, that was the first good little run of that section. Heck yes. I just can't believe that the G35 is 19 years old, because it doesn't feel it. It feels very tight, quick, handling is agile. I mean, I don't know. It feels like it has a lot of life left in it, that's for sure. The only thing that needs to be done to this car is the brakes need to be resurfaced, replaced. They're, the pedal is slightly, there's a little bit of shake in the pedal. But other than that, I am incredibly impressed with this car. It's so good. If you are interested in purchasing a G35 Coupe, a G35 Sedan, or Nissan 350Z, I would say spend a little bit more money and buy a really nice one with under 100,000 miles that's been cared for, and I think the car is going to treat you well for many, many years. This car has been a daily driver since 2005, since 23,000 miles, so you know, it has needed pretty much nothing. The only major thing that went wrong with it was the CD player died, hence the aftermarket waterfall here with single disc. Other than that, it's been phenomenal. GoPro, stop recording. Thank you for watching my point of view drive, the 2003 Infiniti G35 sedan down Old Julian Highway in Ramona, California. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Infiniti G35 videos. Have a great day!